Good morning, dear students. Welcome to my online class of KGK High School. I am Nur Mohammad Shahidullah, senior teacher, KGK High School. In my previous class, it was about the transformation of sentence, and I transformed assertive to exclamatory. But now, today, my class is also about transformation of sentence for the students of class 8. Today, we learn how to transform affirmative to negative. Both of sentence is assertive sentence. When assertive sentence asserts something affirmatively is called affirmative sentence, and express something negative is called negative sentence. Dear students, we learn how to transfer affirmative to negative. Now, we start my class with example affirmative sentence. Now we first learn how to transform affirmative to negative. My first rule is about when a affirmative sentence consists with alone or only. Now write an example. Only God can help us. It is an affirmative sentence. Only God can help us. Now we turn it negative. We know in affirmative sentence consists of only or alone. Only or alone, we write for only instead of only or alone, none but, because we know that when only used for God, Allah, or any kind of person, then we write none but instead of none but for only. So I write none but. We write none but for only. Then write next part of the sentence. None but God can help us. In the same, we write another example. Only Meena can solve the problem. In this sentence, that only before Meena is a person. So we turn it negative in the same way as a person. We write non-word for only. We write non-word Meena can solve the problem. In my first sentence, only write before God. The second sentence, only write before Meena. Here God or Allah, here write Meena. We know we write non-word if it indicates God, Allah or any kind of person. Dear students, getting it. In this example, the baby has only some toys. In this sentence, here only before some toys. Here only before some toys. Some toys indicates something. When only write before materials or something, then we write nothing but for only. Now, the baby has nothing but some toys. When we transfer one sentence to another, but its meaning is same. Here I write nothing but for the word only. In the first example, I write non-word for only because that was person and God value. We study another example. Now write a new example. Robi is only 15 years old today. In this sentence, we found that only is written before a numeric word 15. Here only write before a numeric word 15. When only use before a numeric word, we turn negative by writing only not more than or not less than. Now I write Robi is, I write not more than only. Write not more than for only 15 years old today. The students, I transfer affirmative to negative when we found the sentence only. In the three examples, we change it three different roles. We use number when only says before person or God or Allah. We write nothing but when only write before materials or somethings. And last, we write not more than for only when only write before a numeric word. We learn how transfer from affirmative to negative when only is written in the sentence, and this way we change this, transform the sentence from affirmative to negative. Now I write another role of example. When in a affirmative sentence written must, and in that case how can we transfer from affirmative to negative? I must go to school. I must go to school. When in the affirmative sentence, the word must, we can change the negative. Instead, the word must, we write cannot but. I cannot but go to school. We have also another way to change the affirmative to negative. We can write I cannot help. This time we make the verb zero. I cannot help going to school. If we write cannot help, we make the verb zero. Both the sentence correct. I cannot but go to school. I cannot help going to school. Dear students, we also learn some roles, how we can transfer some transformation of sentence into affirmative to negative. I hope you will study more in your home. Thank you very much.